Well, hey there, my beautiful friends. Today I am sharing some more wreath supplies and beautiful ribbons that I got. I also found some bluebonnet signs because I have had a lot of requests for some bluebonnet signs. So this first box that I'm opening is from Craft Outlet. I had told my friends that I was getting this in, and so I decided to film this just to show what I got. All right, so I first got this home, that Texas sign. It says home is where your bluebonnets are. And then I'm gonna do a cherry wreath, and so those picks are going to kind of act like cherries. That's kind of what I had in mind, but then I did find some cherries, some faux cherries over at Hobby Lobby. So I'll show you that in just a second. So I'm just kind of flipping these ribbon rolls over so that you can see what I got. And so I only buy now with a purpose because I have so much ribbon, and so I only wanted to get the things that I was going to use and not get a whole bunch like I usually do. But anyway, isn't this burlap canvas looking ribbon with bluebonnets so stinking cute? It's going to be great with this Texas sign. This also is a 1.5 inch bluebonnet, and this haul is from Craft Outlet. Now I got these blue with the red rickrack and then that red and white check with the little blue edging on it. Now this one right here, I have a sign that I wanted it specific for. I also got some of these ladybug, and then also daisies with the little bumblebees, some navy blue quarter foil ribbon, as well as some burlap white ribbon also, and then some blue and red mesh. And so this is the sign that I was mentioning that I got this ribbon for with those blue daisies. Then also in my last haul, I shared this welcome cherry sign. And so these are the faux cherries that I found over at Hobby Lobby, and I had already ordered those red picks that were going to act like cherries. So anyway, all right, so then this I found at my local grocery store, HEB. I am in Texas, and so we love our bluebonnets. They're just blooming now all on the roadways and the highways and stuff. And so that is, I'll be filming, I hope to film that video. All right, so then this box right here is from wreathshop.com, and so I'm so excited to get this. I have been waiting for this for several days, finally got it in. And so I kind of forgot what I ordered, and I ordered these green bushes, and they're so full. Again, this is wreathshop.com. Good quality greenery. I just love adding florals and greenery and all that stuff to my designs. Oh, I just love this. I'm really liking, especially for spring and summer, the little white flowers on the greenery. So I have a couple bushes of that, and then also I have I guess I ordered 2 of each of those. And then this next one, I wasn't quite sure about it, but I'm going to be ordering more because I really like the little white flowers on there. And so again, this is the wreathshop.com. So I got more of this 10-inch gray and white mesh because I have done a wreath with it and I needed more of that because I have another one of those crosses. So I'll insert that picture here to show you what that looked like. Then I got some of this 2.5-inch bandana ribbon to go with my burlap ribbon of the bluebonnets. I thought that would be really good. And then the other thing that I got from the Wreath shop are some of their 7/8 inch ribbon. This is velvet, and I like to use it for my center bows on my bows that I do for my wreaths and also projects. Also, they had a sale on these little metal trucks in the the black and white check. And then here is another Texas grown sign with the little cowboy boots and the blue bonnets. So I thought that would be really cute. Now I am in love with this sign. It says Queen Bee and it has the black and white checks on the end. And oh my goodness, I am just so in love with all of this stuff. Again, craftoutlet.com. For the blue bonnet sign that says Texas, I got that at my local HEB. And then also the last box that I shared of wreath goodies is from the wreathshop.com. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.